This week I'm testing the Renault Koleos, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is the keyless entry and exit of the car. It's really easy, you just go up to it with the key in your bag and it will open the doors automatically. Again, then when you walk away, the car will automatically lock itself. It's fantastic. Number 2 is within the media screen you can adapt the volume of pretty much everything in the car, even the indicator sound volume, which is really good for not disturbing little passengers while you're driving. Number 3 is the amount of space in the Koleos. Not only does it have a really big boot, but the legroom in the back is really good too. With a rear-facing capsule, we could get a 184cm passenger in the front. I've really enjoyed my week with the Renault Koleos. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.